How to get Scorpion Shield in Monopoly Go. So first, you just have to log into your Monopoly Go and make sure that you get this peak access for this event. Now, as you can see, this is what Scorpion Shield looks like. And in order to get this, you need to participate in an event called Egyptian Adventure, and you need to collect peak access. Okay, so you just have to tap this one here. Now, there are 16 prize levels in the Egyptian Treasures minigame for Monopoly Go. To unlock each level, players must solve the corresponding challenge by digging every relic on the grid. So for level 1, you unlock 75 rolls. For 2, green save. For 175 rolls. 9, blue save. 10, pink save. We have here 12, pink save. 350 free dice rolls. 14, Egyptian cat token. 16, gold save with 2,500 free dice rolls plus cash and special pervert pack. Now we should be able to find out what the remaining milestones are. You must be aware that the skin of the Scorpion Shield is locked at level 10. So just keep on playing and participate in this mini event and you will get Scorpion Shield in Monopoly Go. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.